I'll show you how to reset your picture settings back to factory defaults, only the picture settings. So this is a very common fix if you have issues. Maybe you're watching an app or something like that. Maybe it's a black screen. Maybe it's very dark, it's not bright even though you have the brightness all the way up. Maybe you're getting flickering black screen. Maybe just no picture or lines on the screen, or maybe the screen is kind of fuzzy, or any other screen issues. And this typically resolves it. This video should have at least a 70% thumbs up. But anyway, first thing is just go ahead, let's go to settings. You can go to your remote here and there's a settings button right here on the bottom. Or what you can do is if you just click on the home button, and then on the bottom here where I'm at, you can go down this way to settings. Just go all the way to the left and keep on going to the gear icon over there. We can go to settings that way as well. Then from here, go directly to picture, move over to the right, and we're going to go down to expert settings and then click on OK on the remote. Now just go all the way down, very bottom, it says reset picture right there. Okay, so from there you can go ahead and reset, and hopefully that helps your picture issues. Okay, if this worked for you, give me a thumbs up. If it didn't, give me a thumbs down. Like I said, this should be at least a 70% thumbs up. All right, good luck, guys.